This is called a jalapeno bacon cream cheese love.
And it's vegan, right?
Yeah, it's vegan.
I'd like to tell you about our next recipe. Our next recipe.
Okay. This is it right here. We're already...
Okay.
We're...
Fat Bomb week at the Bergs, and we're doing a lot of fat bomb recipes so that you can have some healthy fat in your diet, and during mealtime so that you're not sneaking. You don't want to sneak. You don't want to snack.
Snacking.
So we did some sweet ones, but maybe you don't want to have like chocolate kind of candy with your meal.
These are savory.
Savory. That's a great word, especially around the holidays. The neat thing about these is not only can they be a little something that you pop during your own meal, but they're great appetizers too. Holiday time.
Yeah, so we got bacon, cream cheese.
And jalapeno pepper.
And they're totally vegan, right?
And they're not vegan.
The opposite of vegan.
A vegan pig.
Okay.
They could be a little spicy, so I'm waiting.
Those are really good. These are not spicy.
They're not?
Mm-mm. Wait, they are hot.
Let's try it.
They are spicy. I mean, this could be a whole meal right here. So it's going to be something that you could sustain yourself to the next meal. So we're going to show you how to make these, so just stay tuned.
So easy.
All right, check it out.